Welcome! Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to enable mention in bio notifications from people you follow on Instagram. This feature helps you stay updated whenever someone you follow tags you in their bio, making it easier to keep track of those special shoutouts or collaborations. First, open the Instagram app and head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, look for the icon located at the top right of your screen and tap it to open the menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This section holds all the customization options for your Instagram experience. From here, tap on Notifications to manage what alerts you receive. Within Notifications, find and tap on Following and Followers. This category controls notifications related to the people you follow and who follow you back. Now, look for the option labeled Mention in Bio. This is where you can control notifications specifically for when someone you follow mentions you in their profile bio. Finally, select From Profiles I Follow. By choosing this, you'll only get notifications when people you follow add your username to their bio, helping you avoid unnecessary alerts from others. And that's it. You've successfully enabled mention in bio notifications from people you follow on Instagram. This way, you won't miss out on any important mentions or collaborations that come your way. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful Instagram tips.